I'll swim and sail on savage seas, with ne'er a fear of drowning, and gladly ride the waves of life, if you will marry me. No scorching sun or freezing cold will stop me on my journey, if you will promise me your heart and love me for eternity. My tears run, my darling dear, your mighty words astound me, but I've no need for mighty deeds when I feel your arms around me. But I would bring you